In this video, I'll show you how you can mute Discord on OBS. First step is you want to open Discord and go to user settings. In here you want to find streamer mode and make sure automatically enable/disable is turned on. Once you've done that, you just want to open up OBS, go to desktop audio and click on the three dots, advanced audio properties, find your desktop audio, and then you want to select monitor only mute output. Once you've selected this, you just want to close down OBS, reopen it, and just check and make sure it's still on this setting, and then it should work. Now this will mute your Discord audio, so you can still talk with people, and when you record or something, they will not be able to hear what they're saying from the Discord. And it will still capture game sound as well, so it will just mute the Discord. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.